Text description provided by the architects. Designed by A. Mortimer McMillan, the 1930s arts and crafts style home Devenescire has been rehabilitated with a comprehensive remodeling that has been carefully considered. The original heritage-listed home has been transformed by a masterful contemporary design approach that addresses the modern needs of a young family living while celebrating the private garden setting and abundance of natural light. The approach to the project was to celebrate the original heritage building by establishing a simple contemporary architectural dialogue between old and new. The design aims to simply be perceived as a modern insertion into the heritage building, as opposed to establishing an appendage. The line between old and new is blurred and seamless. Whilst the overt modernity is carefully restrained, a substantial addition was created by demolishing a majority of the existing building at the rear and reconstructing the back of the home, extruding the shape and materiality of the existing brick building and steeply sloped roofline. To unlock the heritage restrictions, a new basement level of substantial scale was excavated below the existing home, accessed by a bricked ramp concealed below an automated lid. The new basement level accommodates additional programs, seeking to maximize amenities while maintaining the expansive gardens surrounding the house. Seamlessly integrated into the site works, the basement contains a 6-car garage, boat store, home theater, wellness retreat with gym and sauna, and wine cellar, connected to the home above with lift access. Natural light is brought into the theater and wellness areas through large north-facing windows cut directly into the new swimming pool, which is suspended above the driveway ramp.